We all know Freddie Products, they've got longevity, they've got quality, and I've actually travelled to Birmingham today, to Bromford Industries, to learn more about this. So Russ, you've got 10 of these here.
That's correct. We've got 5 Tramp oil skimmers, we've got 2 vacuums, and we've got 2 small vacuums.
And how long have you been using these products?
On site at the moment, we've had the vacuums, which are behind me, for 20 years. The Tramp oil skimmers, they have been on site for 10 years.
So 20 years old, still working?
Yes, still working. There's a few upgrades we've had to have done along the way. We've just upgraded the motors up to a three-phase motor, 3 kilowatt motor, which has improved the production time and quality of the coolant.
And what is it you like about Freddie Products?
It's the reliability of them. You know what they're getting with them, and it's the quality of the coolant that we're getting out of the product.
And we've talked about the Tramp oil skimmer. There's actually one here in operation. So what's happening at the moment?
So from here at the moment, there's waste oils going into the coolant, which is affecting the coolant quality. So we have to remove that oil from the coolant for tooling life. So we have a float that's in the coolant there, which will remove the surface oil out of the coolant. So it will come through this system. There's a media system in here, which the coolant will pump through, and oil's heavier than, lighter than coolant, sorry. So it floats to the top, which then there's a certain setting in here that you adjust, so you can take different quantity of oil out of. So if we just open this up now, you will see the coolant being pumped in to the system. Then you've got the Tramp oil sitting on the top with your waste adaptation here, which is going into the waste Tramp oil at the bottom. Like I said, this is really crucial for the coolant because this being in the system will turn the coolant to its pH level will go drastically low, which will turn the coolant off, and a lot of bacteria will start to grow. So this also affects the tool lifing, which is crucial for the operators, and with the bacteria is what we're trying to remove to make it more health and safety for the operators.
Yeah, and here at Bromford Industries you do lots of super alloys, lots of difficult materials. So tool life, it's fair to say, is key here. And you've told me off camera that this is significantly better than other Tramp oil skimmers you use.
It is. We put this one as a test because our usual system has failed. So until we can get a spare one or a replacement in, we have got these on site so we can put these into the system to get the system back up and running. So this one has been a test that we've been looking at the pH levels and the bacteria levels. And this Freddie product has proven that it is doing a better job than what system we've got at present. So we're in talks with Freddy to see if we can get a smaller, more practical system for these type of machines.
Okay, and the unit behind, the large one, what do you use this for?
This is for coolant changes. So as the coolant changes, if the coolant has gone off, as to say, so the pH level has dropped, we will use this vacuum to vac all the coolant out. Then we'll take it to the waste disposal unit outside and dispose of it that way. It's a very useful piece of kit for us for coolant management. It's very clean and it keeps the shop floor as it should be.
Yeah, lots of investment here, and you don't want these machines down here, so you need to get that. You need to get the old coolant out and the new coolant in just as fast as humanly possible.
That's very true. Yes. So that again, that's why we've upgraded this one to a 3 kilowatt motor to improve the process, speed it up. So for our general hand, this is his day-to-day job of the coolant management. So instead of him taking 6 hours at a time to empty the coolant out of each one, it's now taking him an hour. So we've increased the process that way.
There we are. A safer, better environment to work in, all because of Freddie.
That's very true, yes. Good product to have.